I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Sharon Price John. She is the CEO at Build-A-Bear. Sharon, always wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks. I love being here. Thank you, Judy.
Oh, my pleasure. So now you announced earnings today, Q3. Tell me about it. What were some of the highlights?
So very exciting for us. We had plus 10% in rev, plus 20% in pre-tax. We were able to, because of our first 9 months being at record levels and our continued quarter to date in the fourth quarter positive trends, to raise our guidance, which is wonderful, very exciting. We're seeing a lot of engagement with our brand, continued consumer traffic coming to our stores. I think you know that we've diversified quite a bit in the past few years online as well. It's great Black Friday, which we announced, as well as a strong Cyber Monday. So this marks actually our 7th consecutive quarter of increased revenue compared to the prior year's quarter. And that guidance would lead to the second record year post 2021. So 2021 was a record year for profitability, and that would put us on track for 2022 to break that record.
Wow, amazing. Well, congratulations.
Well, thank you.
Amazing
Thank you.
earnings.
And congratulations to the team. And particularly to not just our what we call our Bear Quarters team, but particularly to all of our Bear Builders that are out there really helping people have a fabulous time, and such an important role that they play during the holidays, families coming in, kids making Santa Clauses and reindeer and creating memories and weaving ourselves into the fabric of people's lives.
So now let's talk about, we're just coming off of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I mean, you're not just brick and mortar, you're also digital. So what are you seeing? Are you seeing like more folks that are shopping, in the stores, digitally?
As I think you know, Judy, we've talked about this before. When we had COVID, we actually accelerated a lot of our digital transformation, which is one of our key strategic pillars, and we were able to drive 20% of our sales online in 2021 versus something mid-single digit prior to COVID. We've seen some of those strong trends continue, and we've actually updated our website, but it's interesting, we saw some shifts back to in-store during third quarter. We actually mentioned this on the call. It's a bit of a post-COVID world. We believe that people want to get back out with families, get back out and shop, do things together, do things in person. So we saw some softness, interestingly, in our online shopping, but it shifted to the in-store space. So we had overall increased sales, and we also mentioned that in the fourth quarter we've returned to that positive trend online.
Well, nothing beats the in-person experience. We know that.
It really depends on the consumer. In the digital economy and in today's consumer world and their mindset, you really have to provide them any way they want to shop. And what we focus on is total revenue and being able to provide what the consumer wants, when they want it, the way they want it, while driving lifetime value. So our big unlock is driving that loyalty business, being able to engage with specific journeys, digital engagement, digital marketing, driving that next sale, making sure that we're communicating and creating a relationship with the consumer.
So now let's talk about your consumer. You're not just catering to the children, you're also targeting teens and adults. Talk to me about that.
Oh yes, so as we had celebrated our 25th anniversary this year, we're multi-generational. And it's not just a kid's business anymore. It's not even just a plush business anymore. We have the most expanded consumer base in our 25-year history, with 40% of our sales to teens and adults. And we're in multiple categories now, whether that's gifting categories with our Heart Box offering, as well as family pajamas. We have lots of different ways for people to engage in the brand. One section on our website is called the Bear Cave, where we offer after dark product. It is actually age gated. This particular bunny, Paulette, is dressed in her Making Spirits Bright outfit.
Oh.
And she has a furry friend beverage of choice. And it's really fun how much just extraordinary engagement that we get with an older consumer with these types of products.
And it looks like Paulette likes the martini.
A bear teeny.
A bear teeny, of course, of course. Okay, so now you also announced today that you are going to have a new animated film.
Yes, we have announced that we will have an animated film in Christmas 2023.
Okay.
So that's planned a year from now, but that's how long it takes to get an animated film created. It's going to be filled with the voices of people that you know, stars you love, and it's based on our historically popular Merry Mission collection, whose lead character is Glisten. And Glisten's sitting right beside you.
Glisten's right
here. Yeah, Glisten's often our #1 selling item in our stores during the holiday period, and Merry Mission, since we launched it 8 years ago, has been a perennial bestseller for us.
All right, well, Sharon, it is always wonderful to talk with you, and I love when you bring your friends.
Well, we had to have the Build-A-Bear Santa with us as we're kicking off the season with spirit.
All right, well, happy holidays.
You too.
Thanks.